Welcome back to the vlog number 4.
Today we're taking the Lisbon iconic tram ride. Then check out the difference between the tram and the funicular. Why there's so many in Lisbon. Check out the Bairro Alto, the old neighborhood where you can hang out at night and go out lunchtime during the day. Then check out the beautiful viewpoint nearby. After that, have a break, a glass of wine on the rooftop bar in the neighborhood. Tasting the delicious snack that the Portuguese cuisine got to offer, beside the cod fish. And whether you live or visiting Lisbon, go check out this iconic mall before it transforms itself to a luxury hotel. Bom dia. The iconic Lisbon trams, a symbol of city charm and character. The tramway network has been part of Lisbon's transportation system since 1873. It's a delightful way to explore the city's historic neighborhood. Tram 28 is the most famous route, passing through picturesque streets and hills, offering glimpses into Lisbon architectural heritage. Hop on and enjoy the ride.
Today I'm in the Bairro Alto neighborhood. Nice and quiet today. The weather has been terrible. It's been raining almost the whole week. This neighborhood is normally hustle and bustle at night, but during the day it's pretty quiet, as you can see. Also, the weather doesn't help. I have seen a lot of vegan restaurants around here in Bairro Alto neighborhood. So if you're vegan, this area is a good idea to find vegan restaurant and also other kind of restaurant too. I saw Thai restaurant, of course Portuguese restaurant, all kind. So come check it out, Bairro Alto. I heard some people say that, oh no, Bairro Alto is quite dangerous. A lot of people, selling drugs and that kind of stuff. But from my experience, it never happened to me. And I never seen a fight or anything like that around here at night. So it's pretty safe, but just have to be careful. Just to be sure that you're cautious when you out at night. It's pretty normal, like any other city in the world. A lot of azulejo tile here. There are lots of old building around here, and you can see the tile work. They're absolutely beautiful.
The heart of Lisbon nightlife and culture, the historic neighborhood pulses with energy and creativity, where traditional architecture meets trendy bars, restaurants, and boutiques. By day, explore the picturesque streets, and by night, experience the city's vibrant soul. As bars and clubs come alive with music and laughter, discover local gems, immerse yourself in the atmosphere, and let the Bairro Alto spirit captivate you.
Street here very narrow, just this part, right into the shore behind the Bairro Alto area. That's cool. But the bus is coming up, so you will see how narrow it is. So just be careful. You can't have two people walking past. No, we just in time for the funicular coming up. Coming up. Yeah, he's coming up slowly. So the funicular, this one is next to the Outlook, South. I think it was South Pedro de Alcantara. It's just right behind the Bairro Alto neighborhood. Oh, it's coming up slowly. Slow. See, better like that. So that's the tram. And this is funicular. The difference is the funicular is going up and down steep hill, so you don't have to climb up and down. And then the tram is take you to basically other places, other neighborhood, other areas like buses. Funicular just take you almost like cable car sort of, but on the ground. So it's cool to ride. You can see a lot of tourists here. The famous one is number 28, that's the tram, but this one is funicular. It's only going up and down hill. Okay, just pointed out it's €4 10 cents. So that's definitely for tourists because normal tram is €1 30. When the weather is good, they have the market in this area. You can get wine and sandwiches, ham and things. All right, you see a lot of tuk-tuks behind me. No, you're not in Bangkok. You're in Lisbon, Portugal. There are a lot of tuk-tuk here. If you like to take a tour, talk to one of those guys who stand by there. I'm not sure how much it costs. I think it's go per hour, and they take you around the city. Go check with one of them, and maybe that's another way to enjoy the city with a tuk-tuk ride. From here, you can see the view from the city right down to the river. Behind me is a river. It's not the sea. It's a river, just a big one. Speaking of that, they can dock two cruise ships.
The Mirandouro de São Pedro de Alcântara is a scenic viewpoint in Lisbon, offering panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. Located in the Bairro Alto neighborhood, it is accessible by public transportation or on foot. The viewpoints feature the terrace, gardens, and kiosks serving drinks and snacks. You can enjoy the views and the atmosphere, especially during the sunset, with live music on the weekend.
I'm now at the bottom section of this viewpoint. Very quiet down here. Everybody's up, standing up there taking photos. No one down here. Nice and quiet. So if you grab some snack, sandwiches, cheese, and um, cold meat, wine, whatever you like, and come down here and enjoy the view. Nobody here. Absolutely peaceful. Even though up there is busy. Oh, what a terrible day. The rain had been starting on and off. But at least it's not cold. It's warm enough to be out. I think I'm gonna find some place to stop and have a cup of coffee. Yes. So I'm gonna try this place called Lumi. I've been wanting to go for quite a while. Let's check it out. It's only 1 minute walk from here. Lots of people today, even though the weather is bad. I think this guy might be come from cruise or something.
You don't need it for that scooter. So you want to serve it?
Okay, I think it's here. Oh, hell. Hello. Okay, wait to organize a table for me. Thank you.
Can go now?
Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
Siempre go at the I have the menu over here, okay?
Okay.
Drinks and food, okay?
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. You already know how. Yeah, yeah. I have a glass of rosé. That's a rosé, and for the oxtail corporation. Okay. Yeah. Just let no ear of food.
Can I?
Yeah. Thank you. So I finally make it to this bar. It's called Lumi. It's in Bairro Alto, and also it's facing the viewpoint that I was there earlier today. It's ready? It's ready. Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right, my food's ready. I have to move inside. It's raining outside, so all right, let me move inside. That's a good Footbed is quite a common snack here. Everywhere you go, you can get footbed. Super tender, really leafy, crunchy from outside. I remember those songs again. It's a great start, not sure. Nice. The plate is a lot smaller than I thought. I tried to make a reservation here the time about last year and they came down a bit. I need reservation online and then I called nobody else. So I just marched up this arrived at 8 Alright, I'm back outside again. Not allowed to eat outside somehow when it's raining. So I had my oxtail croquette inside. It was very good. Here you can get croquette, different kind of croquettes for dessert or to go. And I just ordered coffee, but I can't have dessert outside, so I'm not gonna go back and have dessert inside. So I'm just gonna stay here and enjoy the sun for a bit and have my coffee. Yeah. Got my gallows. So that was Louis Bar. It was very nice. If you want to stop here for a drink after walking around in Bairro Alto or in this neighborhood. What a day. The sun been in and out, on and off the whole time. Got wet, it got dry, it wet again and dry. But one day it start raining for the next, for like 4 or 5 days in a row. I'm not gonna stay. When the sun's out a bit like this, it's better to just go out and then take umbrella or stay inside for a bit. And then when the sun is out, just come out again. So January and February, March is considered low season. So the local can enjoy the peacefulness of the city. While if you are here on vacation, if you want to do something or see something, you don't have to wait too long in line. So it's give and take. Obviously it's rainy, but at least it's not snow. At least you can go outside. The weather is good except the rain. Now the sun is out again, but then in this 5 minutes, might get some rain, who knows. But you can hear I'm like out of breath because Lisbon is a city of 7 hills. I was at the bottom of the hills, I'm up again. So you have to be fit and make sure you got a good pair of sneakers when you are here. Now this pass after the viewpoints, there are a lot of restaurants on main road from both sides. At night you can enjoy the restaurant and bar around here too. So it's now there by Bairro Alto.
The Embaixada shopping mall in Lisbon offers a unique shopping experience with its collection of local and internationally known boutiques. At Gary, located in the historic Ribeiro de Cunha Palace, it features a mix of neo-Arab and neo-Moorish, stylish and offer free parking. You can enjoy lunch at on-site restaurant and explore the surrounding Principal Hill neighborhood. Embaixada is a must-visit destination for shopping culture and experience in Lisbon.
Here at the Embaixada shopping mall. This shopping mall is in a beautiful old building, beautiful architecture. But unfortunately, what I heard is they're gonna change from the mall, all these shops, they're gonna change it to hotel. Don't know what's gonna happen. So if you're here when it's still a shopping mall, come and enjoy before it change to the hotel. It's absolutely stunning. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you for watching. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. And if you like, give me a thumb up. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you next vlog. Thank you.
Você é algo assim, tudo pra mim que esperava desde